Hey there, it's Alex from WTI. I found something that's going to save on your cleaning time, all thanks to this air fryer silicone insert from WAVELU. I think everyone's in love with their air fryer, but not in love with having to clean it afterwards. Fried food can get kind of messy and greasy, and nobody likes to clean that. What's great about this silicone insert is that it's super easy to clean. Once you finish cooking, all you really need to do is rinse it off. And let's say sometimes maybe you overcook some things a little bit because you're not too sure about the air fryer temperatures. If it does burn and stick, like some honey garlic chicken I made the other day, it still comes off really easily. And I like the inserts as well because they prolong the life of your air fryer. And of course, the best thing about this is that it's dishwasher safe. Who doesn't love that? So if you love your air fryer as much as I do, but don't like the fact that you have to clean it after every use, got to get this amazing silicone insert from WAVELU, but that's just my point of view.